worked my bar, beating on it with a hammer, and was wondering if today was going to be the day I'd get to try it out and make sure it's cutting straight. Well, today is that day. Got this trunk here. This trunk here.
You guys dropping that right? And pull the lines back out the way? Yeah. Okay, right now.
Yeah, cable line there.
Yeah, we can throw the rope over and pull them backing up. So we should have clearance to drop this unless you want me to pull another piece off the top.
Yeah.
One more would definitely be more safe.
It would be a little safer. They could pull it back and we could drop it straight that way.
The top one, we just need these two, yeah?
Yeah, it's just that bottom one that's kind of close.
Yeah, I think that would be alright.
Yeah, we're alright.
Peel this off or we're good?
No, it's okay.
Yeah, you're good.
I'll just cut it kind of high and then we'll get the base cut going.
Yep. Hey, let me get you a rope while you're up here. I wasn't going to use the rope. We're just going to push it over. We got enough here to do it. I'm just going to put the rope. I got the rope.
Yeah, it's got the back trunk part up there. Yeah, it'd be helpful. completely satisfied. I started in real low down here and came back around a few inches above it, but not benefit of the doubt, but credit to cutting in extremely low is hard to do and get it to line up. Had I come in higher, it probably would have been perfect all the way around. Just wanting to cut in on something over here. My other guys saw it went that way and that way. I don't know what happened here. We got to cut that way and that way. Usually this is stuff that my saw does not do. My bar was getting so bad that it was starting to do that. This is me trying to make a video of how I fixed it with a hammer, but I need some real proof in the pudding stuff here. I'm pretty sure the Bobcat won't be able to get that one out, and I'll have to cut it, and then we'll really know. Where's the Bobcat going? Where is the Bobcat running out of here?
I just seen he was right here.
Yeah, because they got table legs over there. He must have gone around or something like that. There's no way. Got the ladder there. He obviously wouldn't have went through there.
He didn't come back here, so I gotta see him right there.
Yeah. Got pontoons on it. Hit the lake. Pontoons on the side, track getting the water spinning. Everybody loves chopping shit up with my ass. He made it wet. Yeah. Oh man. He's gonna make it sharper. Gonna get it. Holy shit. Would have had it all on camera too, damn. That would have sucked. I would have been grabbing my my boots, my long johns. Hey, so we might as well disc them out. They'll be easier to...
The house is close to this way. I gotta find on the right side to get up the gate. Get around this corner.
Yeah, let's disc them out, and then they can dolly them and bobcat them.
I'm trying to help out. I ain't trying to do all of them.
Yeah. Can you see if this is loose? I'll make them all smaller, that way they can go. fucking straight.
Give me a push, bro.
That's a straight ass cut. Flat. My other guy started cutting in here. You can tell he's going